Students, once again welcome back to our channel. Continuing our problem solving series in determinants. Here I came with the 20 questions. 20th question written on the screen. The determinant is divisible by. The question has multiple correct options. Okay, so more than one options can be correct over here, and we need to know by what values, by which options the determinant will be divisible. Okay, so for that we will be going to compute the value of determinant directly. Some of the options can easily be seen by us. Still we'll be going to compute the value of determinant so that all the options can be verified. Okay, all the options can be checked over here. So for that we can easily see a squares are written, b square is there, c square is there. So we may write column 2 tends to column 2 minus column 1. So what will be achieved by us over here? This will be column 2 will be becoming column 1, we have a square, we have b square, we have c square. The column 2 will be becoming minus of b minus c ka whole square, then minus of c minus a the whole square, then minus of a minus b the whole square, right? And the column 3 will be written like bc we have, ca we have, and ab we have. Now what may be taken common from the column 2? From entire column 2 we may get minus sign as a common. So minus 1 will be over here, and the remaining of things will be what? A square, b square, and c square. Over here it will be b minus c ka whole square. Over here it will be c minus a the whole square. Over here it will be a minus b the whole square. Now what we have over here? BC, CA, and AB we have. Now proceeding further, what we may see, the identity when will be opened, b minus c the whole square will be becoming b square plus c square minus 2 bc. Then c square plus a square minus 2 ac. Then a square plus b square minus 2 ab. Now if we want to get rid of, what? We want to get rid of minus 2bc, minus 2ac, and minus 2ab. So what will be going to do? We'll be going to add 2 times the column 3 in the column 2. 2 times the column 3 in the column 2 will be going to add. It's a transformation, we know, right? So we may write column 2 tends to column 2 plus 2 times the column 3. So that will be becoming what? It will be written like very easily a square, b square, c square as the column 1. Then we have b square plus c square. Then we have c square plus a square. Then we have a square plus b square. And over here we have bc, ac, and ab. Now what will be going to do? To get the same element throughout a column, will be going to apply a transformation that will be column 1 tends to column 1 plus column 2. We'll be going to make column 1 as column 1 plus column 2. So that column 1 elements will be becoming what? A square plus b square plus c square. Throughout it will be coming over here. A square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. And the column 2 would be what? B square plus c square it would be. Then basically no, then it will become little complicated. Let's make column 2 as column 2 plus column 1, so that we may have the simpler things in column 1. Okay, and column 2 will also become exactly same. All the elements of column 2 will become what? Exactly same. So column 2 will be becoming column 2 plus column 1. So we will be having a square, b square, c square over here, and a square plus b square plus c square, then a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. Anyways we'll be going to get the same answer even if we would have done the previous thing, but it would have become little more complicated to proceed further. So whatever we are going up with, we must have to take care of that. The complications must not arise. Okay, so now we'll be going to make column 2 as column 2 divided by a square plus b square plus c square. That can be taken as a common over here. So what may be written over here? Minus 1 multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square we achieved, and remaining up with, we have a square, b square, c square in the column 1, and 1 1 1 in the column 2, and ab, ac, and bc, ac, and ab in the column 3. bc, AC, and AB in the column 3. Now we'll be going to interchange column 1 and column 2. Okay, for that we would have to multiply the determinant with the minus sign. So minus is already over here, minus minus plus, it will be becoming a square plus b square plus c square we achieved. Apart from that, in the determinant we'll be going to write like 1 1 1, and we have a square, b square, c square, then bc, ac, and ab. Now we'll be going to proceed further. We'll be going to write like some more transformations, so that this may become 0 and this may become 0. Row 2 tends to row 2 minus row 1, and row 3 tends to row 3 minus row 1. So what will be achieved by us over here? Row 2 will be becoming 0, b square minus a square, then ac minus bc, then over here 0, c square minus a square, then AB minus BC. Then about the column 1 will be going to expand the determinant, will be going to get the value of the determinant. In the front of the determinant, what do we have? A square plus B square plus C square we have. Now proceeding further, this will be the cofactor of the element whose determinant we have to compute, and these two cofactors will be multiplied by 0. Okay, so the remaining thing will be b square minus a square we have, then c we took common, a minus b we have, then c square minus a square we have, then c we took common, then we have a minus b. So from the entire column 2 we may get a minus b as a common, and from the entire column 1 we may get, what we may write over here, b minus a into b plus a we may write over here, then c minus a into c plus a we may write over here, then proceeding further, c into a minus b it will be, then c into a minus b it will be. From the column 2 we may get a minus b as a common. From the column 1, if we talk about what can be taken common by us, a plus b is there, then b minus a is there, c plus a is there, then c minus a is there. Anyways, nothing can be taken common from column 1. So we may write like a square plus b square plus c square in the front of this determinant. Now what will be coming up with? A square plus b square plus c square we got. From the column 2 we may get a minus b as a common factor. Now we'll be going to proceed further. What will be written over here? B plus a we have, right? Nothing can be taken as a common over here. Okay, so we may do one thing. We may get a common from row. Okay, so we may get a minus b as a common. Okay, a minus b, and from this row what we may get a common, we have taken b as a common, so a minus c is remaining. This is a minus c. If we are taking b as a common, this is a minus c, so we may get c minus a or a minus c as a common. So if we are taking c minus a and b minus a as a common, so we may write a square plus b square plus c square. From row 2 we are taking b minus a as a common. From row 1 we are taking b minus a as a common. From row 2 we are taking c minus a as a common. So we will be remaining up with a plus b, then minus c over here, then c plus a, then minus b over here. Now proceeding further, it will be written like minus ab minus b square plus c square plus ac, right? And in the front of it, a square plus b square plus c square multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c minus a. Now we'll be going to simplify this thing. What can be written over here? We may get c square minus b square. Apart from that, we have ac minus ab. Now c minus b into c plus b will be going to achieve over here. Apart from that, a taken common by us, c minus b will be going to achieve. Now c minus b taken common by us. Apart from that, we have a plus b plus c. So what all things we achieved? A square plus b square plus c square multiplied by a plus b plus c multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c minus a multiplied by c minus b. Now let's check what and all options are going to get right over here. So we have one more thing, c minus b, c minus a, b minus a. Let's see what and all things are getting right over here. Actually this is the right answer, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Let me show you how. This can become a minus b and a minus sign in front of it. This can become b minus c and a minus sign in front of it, and this is c minus a. So basically minus and minus will become plus, so option D would be going to get right over here. Apart from that, even this will become the right answer. We have achieved a plus b plus c over here, so this is also the right answer. Apart from this, a square plus b square plus c square also we have achieved, so even this would be going to get the right answer over here. So hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.